see you again with Firliana Mafira Anugrah Pratiwi. Of course, you still remember me, okay? Here still with the same discussion this time. But this time I bring material that is rather interesting, namely compound sentence. Okay, surely guys want to know what compound sentences are? But here, I don't just explain the meaning but also the types and examples. See the following explanatory video, check it out. Compound sentence can be interpreted as a compound sentence. Compound sentence is a sentence that is composed of two independent clauses that are main sentence connected by a conjunction and connecting word. In addition, one of the main features of compound sentence is combining two independent clauses by using a conjunction or semicolon. If you want to use a conjunction, then you use a comma before the conjunction. But if you want to use a semicolon, you don't need to use a conjunction anymore. Coordinating conjunction is compound sentence. There are several coordinating conjunctions that you can use in the compound sentence you want to write, namely for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Number one is for. In the context of compound sentence, for can have the same meaning as because or reason. When for is used, the second independent clause in this compound sentence becomes the reason for the first clause. Example sentence as follows. Dito felt cold, for it was raining. Number two, and. The conjunction and is the conjunction most often used in sentence. The function of this conjunction varies, that is, it can connect clauses that are equivalent in value, become a marker that the second clause occurs after the first clause, and the second clause becomes the result of the first clause. An example sentence is, I like to vacation and like to take picture. Number three, nor. Nor is used in compound sentence when the first clause uses the negative word neither or never. Example sentences are as follows. She can't whistle, nor can she sing. Number four, but. The conjunction but in a compound sentence must be adjusted to the circumstance of the first clause in the contrast to the second clause. For example, as in the following sentence. The sky looks overcast, but it's still not raining. Number five, or. The conjunction or is used when joining two alternative clauses. Example as follows. Tiwi likes listening to songs or cooking. Number six, yet. Example sentences are as follows. I want to be smart yet rarely study. Number seven, so. So can mean because of that or and for this reason. Here's an example. Yana was feeling sick, so he was absent today. Independent clause. Independent clause is a composition of words that at least contains a subject and a verb, is understandable and can stand alone. Example, she is driving a car. Students go to school. Conjunction, one of the keys in a compound sentence is the conjunction. The conjunction is located between the independent clause, that is, after the first independent clause and before the second independent clause. Here are some conjunctions that can be used in compound sentence. And the second independent clause is the addition of the first independent clause. Or, the first and second independent clause contain choice. So, The second independent clause is the result of the first independent clause. For or because. The first independent clause is the effect and the second independent clause is the cause or reason. But the first and second independent clause contradict each other. After the first independent clause and before the conjunction, a comma is needed. Example compound sentence. I cleaned my room and I washed the dishes. First independent clause, I cleaned my room. Second independent clause, I washed the dishes. Conjunction and. Okay, from the explanation of the material that I convey, do you think it's enough to help? I think it's been quite helpful and there is much more material. Stay with me and wait for the next material that I will convey. And see you soon. Happy fun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.